everyone, this is Neha Raj, your book marketing girl, and today we are again here with another episode of Book Nerds Author Agency podcast. And this time, the guest we have is again very special, and everybody knows her. But this episode is special because she has completed 8 years in the industry, and her name is Vidya Thakkar. So I'll just here read a brief about her because it's a very interesting introduction. I don't want if I blunder. So it's Vidya Thakkar is a passionate book blogger, marketing expert, and literary enthusiast based in Mumbai. With 8 years of experience, she specializes in helping authors organically connect with readers and amplify their visibility. Vidya have worked with more than 700 authors and top publishing houses, including Penguin India, HarperCollins, Rupa Publishers, and many more. Her work spans major literature festivals such as APJ Kolkata Literature Festival, Jaipur Literature Festival, Tata Literature Festival, Mumbai Lit Fest, and the World Book Fair. Vidya's expertise includes book marketing and promotions, influencer marketing, blogger engagement, and social media strategy, crafting compelling campaigns for both authors and brands like Amazon, JCB, Flipkart, and many more. Welcome, Vidya. Welcome to our episode. And although I have given, an amazing introduction of yours, and wow, congratulations for 8 years in the industry. What a ride. So, if you can tell everyone about, this highlights about the 8 year journey, although I have tell them a brief, but we would like to, go with you. Please tell us.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. I have been following book nerds from years, and this is my privilege that I am here. And I'm grateful to you and Rohan for giving me this opportunity to come on your podcast. So, yes, and thank you for this lovely introduction. In that introduction, I actually relived my journey of these 8 years. Like, when I tell myself, okay, now we are stepping into the ninth year of Reader With, what are you planning? And I'm like, I'm just going with the flow right now. So, Reader With happened unexpectedly. Like, it was born out of passion for reading. And actually, I'll tell you a little story about how Reader With was born because that is an interesting one. So, I'm a BMM student, mass media student, and we used to have this, literature. As like we used to have literature as a subject where we have to write poems, we have to write blogs, and I have to create blogs. So back in college, I used to write. I used to write poems, blogs. I used to upload them. So back then, I had a blog called as In My Diary by Vidhi.blogspot.com. No one knew about it. Just few people who loves reading knew about it. And one fine day, when I was in class, my friend literally announced everyone, like, oh, Vidya writes so well. And this is her blog. Look at her visits. And I'm like, bro, ye nahi karna tha. But yeah, that was the time when everyone knew, okay, I am into writing and I am a blogger. So हम लोग का फोटोग्राफी भी एक सब्जेक्ट होता था and I created an account called as With Captures where I used to do all the photo, like had all the pictures and everything. So I was traveling in flight. I clicked the picture of a book and जब मैं Instagram पे upload कर रही थी, I came across a hashtag called as Bookstagram. So I was curious, what is Bookstagram? Like
Which year
Instagram.
was that, Vidya? Which year was that?
2017. I
Okay.
still remember I went on a trip on, I guess, 8th May or something, and I came back on 15th May. So I was like, ये Instagram क्या है? मैं आके research करती हूँ इसके बारे में. So I came back, I uploaded the pictures with books and quotes that I loved and everything. And then I started researching on Bookstagram, like what is Bookstagram about? So that's when I came to know that it is about adding reviews, recommendations, and sharing your love for reading. Like there are so many like-minded people around me and under the umbrella called as Bookstagram.
Right.
So I was like, let me also do it. I already have an active blog, and my blog started in 2014. So
Oh,
2014 से 2017 में I already had 30K 40K views organically तभी.
oh wow.
मेरे पास वो तो है, इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पे 50 फॉलोअर्स है, बट आई एम लाइक नो, लेट मी डू इट बिकॉज 10-12 बुक्स पड़ी है मेरे घर पे, लेट मी स्टार्ट इट. सो आई स्टार्टेड इट एंड Aritri, a liquid sunset, was the first person I interacted with on Bookstagram. And she was like, अरे विद्या ये कर ऐसे कर. And I was like, मैंने नाम का क्या कर रहा है Aritri. So she is like कि I think you should change the name कि with captures, मतलब it doesn't suit. I'm
Mhm.
like ठीक है, ये 3-4 names है. Like एक था with reads, reader with, Vidya reads. So she was like, reader with suits well. With reads nahi kar, reader with kar. I'm like, okay, I trust you. And that is how reader with was born.
Oh wow.
No, with no plan, no intention. And I told her also, and I told myself, like,
Mhm.
this will be my safe space where I'll express myself. Like, जो भी है मन में है, यहाँ पे डालो, डंप
So,
करो.
what about the blogs you were writing? Those were about the books, or those were about your general blogging? What was that? The blogs.
So, no, they were general. Like, I used to write poetry, then life experiences, जो मन में आया मैं लिख देती थी. That was my digital diary.
Okay.
So then I was like, ठीक है, मैं reviews में उस पे डालती हूँ, अभी मेरे पास है तो सही.
Right.
So for a year मैंने वो blog पे डाली, मेरे सारे reviews हैं on Instagram as well as on my blog.
Mhm.
And after a year, like मेरे जो who handles my website, he told me that now it's really time to switch to a website rather than having a blog. Like, okay, let's do it. ये भी कर लेते हैं, क्या किया है तो, because
But the good thing is
they
you are getting response, you are getting positive response from everyone.
positive response, and it was like taking a leap of faith.
Right.
Because
Right.
2018 में 20,000 खर्च करना वेबसाइट पे was
आज
not
आज
easy.
भी नहीं करते लोग, ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस. आज भी ऑथर्स को
Exactly.
बोल दो, they just scared away कि नहीं नहीं हमें नहीं बनानी, let it be.
Exactly. And I always tell everyone, don't be dependent on one platform. Have your own property in form of
Oh, yes.
website.
Yes, truly,
So
truly.
he is like, चल बनाते हैं तेरा website. He is my brother, you know. So I'm like, ठीक है बनाते हैं, पर ये views का क्या? Because it already had almost 70,000-80,000 views, उससे भी ज़्यादा.
Oh,
He says, you have to start from zero. Then like 80,000
tough.
zero.
Too tough to
So
do.
I was like, okay. So I still remember कि मेरा reader will start हुआ 17th May 2017 को,
Mhm.
and my website started on 18th February 2018.
20.
And
Okay.
yeah, विद्याधर.com जब डोमेन सब मैंने ले लिया, सब रेडी हो गया, थीम लिया, आर्टिकल्स मतलब हम लोग ने शिफ्ट कर लिए, सब कर लिया. एंड ही इज लाइक, दिस इज लास्ट डे your blog spot, because it was, you have to, you know, again started from zero. तो
Right.
एक टाइम ऐसा लगा कि अरे यार, अपना जो बेबी जिसको हमने इतना, you know, nurture
But
किया.
sometimes that's what we are saying, that evolving every time, it is a much needed step one has to take, because कई बार चीजें stagnant हो जाती हैं. Every time if you keep doing the same thing, I'm sure, the quality of the work will also be there. But if we keep doing same thing again and again over the period of years, then we also need to evolve ourselves, change करके. So yes, that was needed. So regarding the blogging, you have witnessed the evolution of blogging. So can you take us through the journey and how you have managed to stay relevant? I mean, it's been like 8 years, and with the blogging majorly, you have been relevant till now. So how you have maintained that?
So there is only one thing that I keep in mind, that is एक्सप्रेसिंग माई सेल्फ, भले दुनिया को अच्छा ना लगे, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं लिख रही हूँ, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग, लाइक दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई आई क्रिएटेड दिस थिंग, कि जहाँ पे एक मेरा सेफ स्पेस हो. थिंग्स विल ट्रेंड, पीपल विल ट्रेंड, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो जो सिंप्लिसिटी है वो
That is like always,
time
it's forever.
yeah.
Basically, it's forever.
So when it comes to blogging also, I have seen लोग pointers लिखते हुए, ये लिखते हैं. So till today my developer is like, इस पे लिख. वो every month he sends a list कि you can write on these topics, and at the end of every month he is like, इसमें से तूने कुछ नहीं लिखा. No.
So
But
that's
what
the
I
key to
do,
stay relevant, basically. That's the key to be simple and keep it authentic, right?
keep it authentic and keep it real, express yourself. And remember the motto, why you are created. आपने पैसे कमाने के लिए किया है, आपने एज अ डिजिटल डायरी किया है, या you know, when I used to write, Neha, people were like, Vidya, this is what I wanted to hear it up. बहुत सिंपल, बहुत कम, कभी कभी बोलते ना, वो एक नज चाहिए होता है लोगों को. So I have got comments across the world like, okay, this is what we wanted to hear, and through you, I guess we heard this thing.
Wow.
People always say कि video है, reels है, everything is there, but I still feel कि वो जो Google पे search करके SEO optimized article होता है, that will bring the difference.
No, it is there. So regarding the book influence, I mean, the advent of Bookstagram and Book Talk, which we were just talking, has
Yes.
renewed revived the book industry. So how do you
Yes.
feel things will play out in the coming years?
It is really good. Like, I was talking to one of the OGs, and he was like, कि, यार हमारे टाइम पे तो ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. You know, it took me 3 years to reach 10K followers और वो swipe up link लाने के लिए.
Oh God. It's
So
really tough. If you are not using any bots, आजकल bot
Exactly.
system is, I mean, it's booming again with
Yeah.
most of the Bookstagrammers, but people don't understand कि that will not bring your result what exactly you are looking for, what you are
Exactly.
here for. And yes, the point which you just said, कि they should remember the motto. Why they are here, what is the purpose, of reviewing the books or maybe being in the industry, what is the purpose, and then they should deliver according to
Because
this.
now the industry is growing so well that if you remember your purpose, you will grow. Like
Yes.
when I meet people in JLF in Delhi, or like I was invited for Mecca Creators Day
Oh,
in
yes.
I guess 2022 or 2023, I don't remember. It was in Mumbai. I was the only one from book industry. And when someone asked me, what is your niche? And the books, like, oh, no, people read. Wow, this is so different.
Oh God, this wherever I hear people say, in a very disappointing way, reading is dying. I don't know. This is the trend. This line is trending, or they want to, just say it for the sake of it. मेरे को तो बड़ा गुस्सा आता है.
But
Reading
you know
is
what I realized, Neha, is reading is not dying, but choosing a wrong book makes a reader die from you. Like yesterday, I was talking to a friend and she was like, यार मुझसे book read नहीं होती because I read this particular book, उसके बाद मेरे से book read ही नहीं हुई. I was like, you
right,
did
right.
not find the right book. That is why you are not into reading. Once you find that right book, your thinking journey will automatically start.
हाँ, but right book, I agree. But again, readers experiment with the reading books, different books also. I mean,
Yeah.
I agree if, people are reading a particular genre and they are reading a lots of books in the genre, but there are many new readers, or I mean, the old readers who just want to experiment with the genre. So they are
That's
also there.
okay.
हाँ, मतलब नहीं पसंद आ रही है, you can just always keep it back.
Then you go, but pick another book. ऐसा नहीं कि ये book नहीं अच्छी लगी तो नहीं
But
करें.
reading culture is not dying, communities इतनी आ गई हैं. I started in 2015, ठीक है, then there was no book communities as such in different cities. After it's like booming. तो अगर communities are developing और इस तरह के जो छोटे छोटे literary meetups है, they are continuously increasing. So often people are saying कि reading is dying. Reading is not dying, it's increasing. Although, I mean, I'm not big fan of literature festivals as such, and people are also, have their opinions about it. कि lit fest आजकल पहले की तरह अच्छे नहीं होते हैं. पहले were more about literature,
Yeah.
literature only, but now it's not. But ठीक है, there are many good literature festivals these days also
Yeah.
where you can meet the readers, book bloggers. It's again a party for book
That's
lovers,
basically okay. So when it comes to the growth of bookstagram industry, I can say it is growing so well. It is nurturing so well. Like there are so many book clubs across the cities. Book meets are happening. Literature festivals are happening, and it is like people are taking initiative to read a particular book, discuss a book. So it is always fun to meet like-minded people. Like मैंने भी जब मुंबई बुकस्टैग्राम start किया, the response I got was really amazing. जब हमने COVID के बाद book
Mm.
meets थी, like we used to do blind book date, treasure hunt in a bookstore, and we used to just sit for 5-6 hours and discuss
Wow.
everything. It was not like a particular book. कोई mythology discuss कर रहा है, कोई वो साइड नॉन फिक्शन, कोई अलग discuss कर रहा है, but it is like meeting like-minded people. Like I had one of my friend who said कि विद्या, thank God I came here because मैं जब भी books की बात करती हूँ, people are like कि क्या बात करती है यार, we are not readers. So it is like, yeah, I got to talk about, okay, what I feel and everything. So I really felt good. And I was like, that is my motto. To
Right,
make you
right.
feel good, I can say.
No, you just said, na, like your friend was saying, she didn't really meet with such people. My
Yeah.
daughter in school is facing similar issue. So, because our work is such, so we have books around everywhere in the house also, right? So
Yes.
they have a habit. Both of my kids have a habit of reading the books. So now when
Yes.
she go back and meet her friends in school and talk about the books, and she can always come like very disappointed. No, कोई पढ़ता ही नहीं है आजकल. मैं किससे book discuss करूँ अपनी?
Ask her to make a blog.
No,
And
I just said I suggested her you create your own book club in a school.
no.
I said just so that the तीन चार friends मिलके, there are a couple of friends of her who read. I said just start a book club and ask people to join you. So the way I
Yeah.
started just telling her, like because she loves books. So
Yeah.
coming to the trends and challenges in our industry, like basically book industry, what are the common mistakes author make when promoting their book online?
Common mistake that author make, which I really feel, is giving away review copies for free, like giving away too many copies, which doesn't create demand of their book. It is like, अरे इससे copy मांगेंगे तो वो दे देंगे, which don't lead people to purchase the book. So when it comes to authors, I always say create a demand for your book. Don't give excess review comes. ठीक है, आप 2, 10 दो, 15 दो, but not more than that. Because वो hype अगर आपकी book का create होगा, people will automatically buy. But create demand and not just
That
giving
I
them.
totally agree. That happens
Because
sometimes. Authors in desperation ना, they just say कि 50 कॉपी पहले रिव्यू की दे दी है और मेरे 50 रिव्यूज आ गए हैं. हाँ, but understand, I agree कि Amazon reviews आपके आ गए हैं, but again they have not purchased it. First point. Second thing कि आपने उनको भेजी है, किसी ने खरीद के रिव्यू नहीं किया. So yes, it's a yeah.
Yeah, and second thing that I feel like no, from the author's side is they are in hurry of getting published. So I met one of the authors, he said, okay, man, this book is coming, this book is coming, this book is coming, it is getting self-published. Then I'm like, why you're not waiting for a traditional publisher? So he said that because my book is not getting approved there, I'm just getting, so it's self-published because it is picking off my list. So I also wanted to scale because just to tick off things from your list, you are publishing it without knowing if people want to read, don't want to read, why traditional publishers are not accepting your book. So work on things rather than just jumping and doing it for your sake. So that I feel is wrong from your side as well.
No, if they have published, चलो ठीक है, नहीं मिला ट्रेडिशनल पब्लिशर, बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज नॉट लकी, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट। सब लोग पेंगुइन हार्बर नहीं मिलते। बट अगर सेल्फ पब्लिश हो भी गया है ना, तो आई थिंक दे शुड मार्केट, दे शुड फोकस ऑन द मार्केटिंग देन जेन्युइनली। क्योंकि बुक तो आपने चलो पैसे देके प्रिंट करवा ली, इट्स फाइन, क्योंकि आपको करवानी थी और ट्रेडिशनल से डील नहीं मिली आपको, या मे बी यू आर इन हरी और उनके लिए सुटेबल नहीं था कंटेंट। बट अगेन नाउ यू कैन फोकस ऑन द मार्केटिंग प्रॉपर्ली, सो दैट इज डुएबल।
Marketing is good. ठीक है, I agree that you have to market your book in a good way, present it, position it in a good way, but don't hurry कि हाँ भाई 3 महीने 4 महीने के बाद, because that creates, I feel like that creates a negative impact in my readers. हर 4 महीने में बुक लग गई, हम इधर 2-3 साल से कंटेंट को नर्चर करेंगे, ये चट नहीं।
मैं 10 साल से ऑथर्स को यही प्रीच कर रही हूँ, गाइड प्रीच कोई भी वर्ड ले लो, कि प्लीज डोंट बी इन हरी इफ यू हैव टू मार्केट योर बुक। नहीं यार, सबको रिजल्ट्स ना ऐसे क्विक चाहिए कि भाई जल्दी से आ जाए, वायरल हो जाए। इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। कोई बार ना एक तो ना वो केस स्टडी गलत कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि बाहर के वेस्टर्न ऑथर एक दो वायरल हो गए हैं, तो उनको लगता है वी कैन बी दैट वन। I mean, aiming to that one is really good कि आपको ऐसा करना है, but work for it.
work for your content as well.
Yes.
Like creating your personal brand, positioning your book that way, because no book will have same experience for each reader. Like every book has their own experience for everyone.
Right.
अच्छी से अच्छी बुक ले लो, देयर मस्ट बी समवन कि जिनके लिए ये बुक वर्क नहीं की होगी, एंड दैट इज ओके। Another thing is they don't take constructive criticism serious.
Some of them may take, but yes.
But नहीं
लेते।
in these NPOs I'm like, see ये है, and that is why I do not like him. हाँ, पर हमने तो पेड किया था, इट्स ओके।
हाँ,
पेड,
ये थोड़ा सा मिसकंसेप्शन इंडस्ट्री में है, इफ द ऑथर हैज पेड फॉर द रिव्यू, तो ऐसा लगता है उनको कि इट हैज टू बी द पॉजिटिव रिव्यू ओनली, बट एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट। हाँ, you have paid for the review, positive, negative, subtle, that is for the reader.
I have faced challenges, like one of the authors like, I'll go legal that I have paid you and you have given a 3-star review, and like take your money back. I don't need your money.
नहीं, rating system has some problem.
Very well-known person, he is like, I will file a legal case against you because you have given me a 3-star review. That was in 2019 or 2020, I guess. And like, okay, take your money back. I don't want to get into these legal matters, but this is how your book is, so please work on it.
नहीं, ऐसा ना, we also keep facing such incidents many times. Particularly that happens, but just I mean, my opinion on this, you should not have given the money back, because you have already invested your time, you have read the book, you've given your review, but sometimes people take advantage. डर जाएगा
and like during the COVID or post-COVID, I don't know, and I am someone who don't like who likes to stay away from the fuss and everything. Like, okay, we have many things to do.
Right. So we'll move on to your personal insights and rapid fire. I'll ask you 2 questions and you just quickly answer them. So here we start. What's your favorite genre to read and why?
Mythology, Indian mythology, especially because I love reading about Mahabharata and about Krishna, Shiva. Yeah, Indian mythology.
Oh wow, my little one will really love you, my little autumn.
I would love to meet her because I can, tell endless stories about it.
Great. So who are some authors you admire?
Vivek Deberoy, Sudha Murthy, Chitra Divakaruni, Michelle Obama, and Anita Rajani, because I really love her book.
Nice. What advice would you give to aspiring book bloggers?
Have patience. Don't be in that hurry to grow, to hit that mark of 10K followers, 20K followers, and See, it's a space where you have to experiment with your content, but also have that patience
Right.
and see like what you are posting.
Absolutely true. Absolutely. And one book you want to recommend to everyone.
So it is Becoming by Michelle Obama. Like that is one of my favorite book. And apart from that, if you are into again Indian mythology, I would say Shiv Shakti by Anita Rajani and Shiv Puran by Vivek Devaraj.
Nice. Tea or coffee?
Just
Same
anytime.
here. Same here. I'm in Dehradun. I always need a reason to have tea. It's like winters here.
You are in
Like months, yeah, winters. Okay, so a myth about book blogging.
which is that you get a lot of money, which you don't. You just invest your time, but the returns are very less.
Okay, one book you hated.
There is no book that I hate.
So you
Like,
don't
I read this
maybe that was not your type. Something, any book? No.
Oh, I don't think I have, left any book unread till now. Except one that was because, like, recently I'm in my healing journey, on my healing journey, and that book literally triggered me. So the
Okay.
author said, Vidya, first, please don't read because it will trigger you more, and I don't want you to go into it.
Right. Okay, great. So something about Lit Fest experience, because you have been attending literature festivals. I mean, I keep looking at your journey. So some amazing Lit Fest have collaborated with you. Do share some fun moments and learnings perhaps.
Learnings, it would be like you grow in every lit fest you go because you meet people across the countries. Like recently, I like in JLF, I met the author of the Four Purusharthas. So it is always fun to interact with authors across different countries. It is fun to interact with readers. Like there are so many people who came like, oh yeah, with that, yeah. Fun to go there and learning. The most important learning that I feel here is you get groom. In every lit fest you attend, you groom yourself. Like, okay, यहाँ पे ये mistake हुआ, so next time I attend Indian Literature Festival, I should not repeat this mistake.
Oh
So it
yes,
is like,
grooming is a part of core part of everything. मेरे को लगता है ऐसा.
and it is कि you learn a lot कि चलो मैं यहाँ से मैंने ये सीखा, इसको मैं ऐसे apply करूँगी. Next time if I meet someone, I would ask this question. So it helps us grow.
So when I also go to Lit Fest this time, so I had like couple of interactions with few people. I mean authors there, and then I suddenly remember, अरे ये question पूछता था, भूल गया मेरे को. ये वाला question पूछता था, उसमें रह गया. तो कुछ ना कुछ ना ऐसा हो जाता because the vibe at literature fest, friends, we just want to meet all the authors all the because it's like a festival for you. Book atmosphere is a festival. Oh,
it is
yes.
a concentration अटेंड करे कौन सा ना करे taking notes कि हाँ ये अच्छा लगा ये नहीं अच्छा लगा because I'm still that old school I take the notes in my phone कि okay इसने ये बोला इसने ये बोला so there I am more of a reader and not a content creator or a blogger and at each fest I go I never plan my content like that is the thing about me I never plan my content कल क्या डालूंगी मुझे याद नहीं
Great. But yes, different people have different planning strategies because I'm a person, मुझे आप on the spot खड़े कर दोगे ना तो I may like blank out or something.
या तो वही ना like I see people who plan it कि हाँ ये ऑडियो मैंने सेव किया मुझे इसका रील बनाना है ये कंटेंट बनाना है so you meet so many people you learn कि हाँ देखो लोग ये भी सोचते हैं ये भी करते हैं so that
Great.
हाँ चलो next time मैं भी ऐसा करूँगी.
No, it's really nice talking to you and all the conversation we had. I really enjoyed throughout. And thank you, Vidya, for your time and insights. And for listeners, you can connect with Vidya on her social media platform. She's available on Instagram. And Vidya, if you can tell your handle to everyone.
It's Vidar underscore with VIDDH.
It's a little complicated. I'll drop in my comment section also. And
Yes.
happy reading, everyone. And this was it for today's episode. We'll see you in next episode. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Neha, for this opportunity. And guys, keep loving book nerds because they are the best.
Thank you.